Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also wanted to draw attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after the whole operation. So now to get into proper section we have to tap on this 6 dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the settings icon. Then scroll all the way down and find Restore Defaults, tap on it and tap on OK. We've just been transferred to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because our camera needs the access to the location to add location tags to photos and videos, and basically the device is asking whether you'd like to allow it or not. So that was the first evidence. The second one is that our device does not display the grid lines, so this option also was reset, and I forgot to mention that, but the auto night mode was off and now it is on, which also means that the camera we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.